Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your phone and starting the change right now. Update Android and backup photos so nothing is lost. This protects you if a tweak misbehaves. Next, install an iOS-style launcher and matching icon packed to mimic the look. Then install a browser that supports changing the user agent. Once done, set the browser's user agent to iPhone so Instagram web will serve the iOS layout. Make sure you're logged into your Google account to keep settings synced. Now you configure the interface and get the app-like behavior. Apply the iOS launcher and adjust grid size, hide labels, and set a dock with 4 icons. This gives familiar spacing and gestures. Then open Instagram in your user agent changed browser. Choose a recent iPhone agent so the site serves the iOS UI. Add the Instagram page to your home screen as a shortcut or PWA. This makes it launch like an app. Make sure to lock orientation and test taps to confirm gestures feel native. Finish by polishing and knowing how to fix common problems. Tweak font scaling, icon sizes, and launcher gestures so the interface feels cohesive. This improves usability and reduces surprises. If some features differ by region, consider a reputable VPN, but make sure it's legal where you are. If Instagram acts oddly, clear the browser cache, reset the user agent back to iPhone, then re-add the home shortcut. This single tip solves most rendering or login errors and gets you back to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.